This is how to use accessibility features on your student Chromebook. So if you'd like text to be read out loud to a student, they will click on the time or this little area and then go to accessibility and turn on select to speak. Once that's turned on, you'll see a speaker down here. You'll want that to be clicked. Have the student hold and drag whatever text they want read, and when they let go, it will automatically read it for them. The other option is if a student wants to talk into the computer to have it type. So in accessibility, again, you will turn on dictation. You'll see the little microphone come up here. Once that's clicked, see now it is starting to type what I am sharing. You'll stop the microphone when you want it to stop typing. So when the microphone is clicked, the information will be typed. When the information is, or when the microphone's not clicked, it will not be typed. And then if you ever want to turn it off, you just go back to the same accessibility area, and if the child uses these options frequently, they will be up here at the top.